Cells are the building blocks of life, and when we get them together, they form organs. And if you put a bunch of organs together, they form complex organisms like you and me. Cells can also be independent and do their own thing. Single-celled organisms don't need the level of complexity humans have, and they can live a happy life with, just one cell. So cells are more than just building blocks of life. We tend to use the term building blocks of life loosely. If we look at building blocks, such as Lego bricks, they cannot replicate and produce copies of themselves, can they? Well, cells do. But why do they do that? Is it a case of excessive self-love, where cells just want to produce many copies of themselves for no apparent reason? Well, in this video, we will learn the real reasons why they do that. First up, growth. Think back to when you were just a single cell, a tiny zygote formed from your mom's egg and your dad's sperm. Fast forward to today, and you're made up of about 10 trillion cells. This massive expansion is thanks to mitosis, a type of cell division that helps organisms grow from a cuddly baby to an adult. Every time a cell divides through mitosis, it copies its DNA meticulously and splits into two identical daughter cells, each containing a complete set of genetic instructions. Now let's talk repairs. Life is tough, even on a cellular level. Cells can get damaged or simply wear out. Like diligent workers, cells use mitosis to replace old, injured, or dead cells. For example, the skin you're in is constantly renewing itself, shedding around 30,000 to 40,000 cells every hour. Without cell division, healing a simple cut would be impossible, let alone maintaining the various tissues and organs of your body. But cells don't just divide for growth and repair. They also divide to ensure the survival of species. This is where it gets even more interesting with two types of reproduction: asexual and sexual. In asexual reproduction, organisms like bacteria use a process called binary fission to make exact copies of themselves, quick and efficient, ensuring rapid multiplication. On the flip side, we have something more complex called sexual reproduction. Here, special cells called gametes, which include sperm and egg cells, carry just half the usual number of chromosomes. They are formed through a special type of division called meiosis. When these gametes unite during fertilization, they create a new cell with a complete set of chromosomes, a blend of genetic information from both parents, leading to genetic diversity, which is key to evolution and adaptation. Lastly, why should this matter to you? Every time you heal from an injury, grow a bit taller, or even fight off an infection, you're witnessing the marvels of cell division. Understanding how cells divide not only connects you to the essence of all living things, but also highlights the brilliance of nature's design in sustaining life through generations. Not to mention that you now know that cells are not the narcissistic blocks of life that just want to create copies of themselves. Click on the next video to continue learning more about biology. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button to tell me and YouTube you're into this, and subscribe so you don't miss the next upload. See you next time.